How to cancel Xbox Game Pass subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your browser and simply search for Xbox Game Pass. After searching for it, simply open this particular link that you'll be able to see. And in here, what you're going to do is simply make sure that you're logged into your account, right? Simply tap on this me icon that you will be able to see on the top right corner. And then from here, tap on that one. You'll actually be able to write in all of the credentials of your Microsoft account. And just like that, you'll successfully be logged into your Xbox Pass account, right? Then after successfully logging into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the option that you'll be able to see of the Xbox Game Pass, right? Simply tap on that one, and then after tapping on that one here, you'll be able to see Game Pass. Tap on that one, and then in here you'll actually be able to see the option of manage once you are logged into your account, right? So simply tap on that one, and then from there you'll actually be able to see cancel subscription or turn off recurring billing. What you're going to do is simply tap on that one, and then from there you'll need to confirm it, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription online.